Hey everyone, this is Rachel, and today I'm here with a new scrapbooking process video. Thanks so much for joining me here, and I hope you enjoy. If you could flick me a thumbs up, that would be super awesome, and I would love it if you would become a subscriber. You can also click on the notification bell so you always know when I have a new video up. Alright folks, let's get going! Hey everyone, so in just a few seconds, we're going to flip over to my layout based on this sketch by Laura Whitaker, only you're going to see it almost completely done because once again, I have managed for a lift and sketch with Christy and Rachel video to erase the majority of my layout. So I did this slower than I normally would, and I'll just explain to you what I did. I took a piece of cardstock in the color Twig from Basil, and then over that, on that angle, I layered that green tree paper. Now I got that in a grab bag. It was a one-off of, oh sugar, I don't remember what paper it was from. On the other side was a very cartoony map of a camping site. It was like Pebbles or something along those lines. So I never thought I'd be able to use it, but then my nephew and my housemate and one of our dogs, we didn't have the second one when this was done, went on a hike. So it ended up being perfect. So over that paper, between the paper and the cardstock, I used this brown polka dotted washi tape. That was not mine. I borrowed that from another lady at the crop. Once again, I am filming this at the crop I went to back in September. And then over that, using texture paste from Vicky Booten, I used a stencil. I'm pretty sure it was from the Crafters Workshop to put that arrowy piece on. Now, in the layout, there are pattern papers horizontally layered behind the photo. I decided to go with this mixed media look instead, and then all I did was the embellishment cluster on the right-hand side of the photo. I just enlarged that greatly using those two stickers. Those are both from Bella Boulevard. And then the wood veneer is just from different random things, the trees and the geotag. And then for my photos, I did pop them all up on Pop Dots. I find that's the easiest thing to do for working on top of texture paste. While I finish up my layout with some velveteen green, I will say make sure you head on over to Christy's channel. I also used, as you can see, the velveteen green. I am sprinkling that over the title, which is from a word thicker set from Pebbles. I also have some epoxy stickers in there, as well as enamel dots. Thank you guys once again. I really do apologize for the ridiculously short video. Make sure you head on over to Christie's. I'm sure hers is much better and much more professional. All right, everyone, I'll be back next month with just a lift for January, and then we'll be doing a sketch in February. Goodbye, everybody.